fire is going. Started it with one of the fire starters I made at home, and also tried a different thing at the same time just to see if that works. Just lighting duct tape on fire and making a triangle. Both works very well. And then this was wood that was a bit dry now, but I will feed it with whatever is here. But most of them have quieted down now. I'm gonna take it back out, bring out some blankets now for them, so that the heat will stay with them, and then I will have a bit of a snack and see how long I will hang out here. Good dogs. Good dogs. Sean, you never rest, don't you? Just having some trail mix. I'm gonna roast these. Could you imagine that they're now individual wrapped wieners? Like, that's crazy. Like, why? And then I got some cheese and some crackers, and I always carry chocolate, so this is a treat for myself. We were breaking trail for a while because we went by the lake, and then there was a trail, so it was windblown, but Tony and Yumi were breaking the trail. Good girl, Yumi! And they all already had a snack. I think they all had like 3 snacks. I'm gonna have a bit of a recharge, and then we'll head home. This is, we'll probably be in here probably a bit over an hour now. Fire is still going nice. We won't be much longer. I wanted to stop like about 2 hours, just so they know what it means to stop and to quiet down immediately and to eat. And they're all that took their snack. They're all gonna have a bit of water that I was melting here. I'm just putting it from the pot here into these bowls. One of them spilled, so I have to restart. But like, I mean, it doesn't take super long. Should have brought a lid, but next time. I think I was prepared pretty well. I could maybe when I'm back, I'll show what my main backpack had, and then some extras that I brought just because I was able to bring more. So I just brought more, but I'm gonna have another sausage here now, roasted. Made that tiny little roasting stick here, and then Tony, do you want a sausage? I think he wants a sausage. Wolfie has been complaining about doing this the longest, but he eventually quieted down, and then Yam and Mozart immediately let down. The sun is slowly going down. It's about minus 15 now. It says with the wind chill it's about minus 20. Most of them are actually sleeping right now, which was the point, so that they all get a good nap in. They all are processing some snacks right now. They're gonna get a bit of kibble before we go. I'm gonna melt a bit more water for them, and then I think we're gonna head home. I'm pretty happy with this first camp out, and all the preparation towards making the fire was definitely worth it, and also learning some new techniques to start them was a good idea. There you go. I'm having some good old turkey. They're all Doesn't she look cute in her little little wheat blankie? Even Mr. Son over there, this dog here, even he lay down. It's funny how everyone uses straw except the husky. Let's put some water over here. And then scoop some more snow. Swoop. And then next pot of water is just gonna melt like that. Boom. Hello, my girls. Good thing, girls. Hello. Tony. We're back. Hey, Yumi. Back home now. It's -20 now. I didn't think it would get that cold, but whatever. Everyone did great. Pretty happy with everyone. These guys just all had their snacks already. Now they're gonna rest. And then they're all gonna get fed in a bit. Hey boys. Talked to you, heard your leg earlier. We'll have to figure out what's going on with your leg. Hey Kappa, are you happy you were stayed inside?